silhouettes, colorways, the performance and technology aspects. We all cop sneakers for various reasons, each pair with its own unique story. But there's one experience we all collectively share, the anticipated moment of unboxing. Whether it's an easy GR or a hard-to-get rarity, the unboxing experience should be an elevated one. It's that moment you've been waiting for, the unbox key. Simply pop, push, and pull. Inspired in part by the "Do Not Use Sharp Object" printed on Adidas' packaging tape, we set out to explore various materials, shapes, and sizes to create the ultimate unboxing tool. The unbox key's focal point is the protruding puncture tip, designed with an ideal height to prevent blade damage on the sneaker box inside. The serrated portion of the unbox key is intended for use on stubborn, stringy packaging tape. The unbox key is a culmination of obsessing over a tool that provides a more enjoyable and convenient unboxing experience.